YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on the link. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. Let's see what's inside. Here we go. Cut there. Cut there. What do we have here? JoyRoom. What is JoyRoom? Alright, let's take a look. Here we go. What is this? Make choice, be simple. That's what it says right there. Number 1. What are you? Alrighty. We got something right there. Oh. Car mount. Alright. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. And you can stick it right there. Just peel this off. I'm going to figure out a spot to put this on. And we got extra, oh boy, extra goodie bag right here. If I could get it open. Alrighty. So this is some kind of ruler, magnetic positioning card. Oh. Okay, so we got this. I think that's where, yeah, see? Put this on your phone. This is going to be right there. Another 3M sticky. I think this is my, yep. Either or. You got a lot of options. Okay, back up. Clean dashboard. Tear the bottom sticker. That's what it says right there. It tells you how to do it. You just mount it right there. You know, this should last a while though, so you get 3 of them or 2 of them. These 2 plus this one. And then get this little guy. I'll grab the other phone in a second, hop in the car, and look at you. There we go. Okay, I'll be back. Once you peel this off, it's like a ring right through. I like how it glows like that. That's pretty cool. So, got the other phone right here, and now we're about to have some fun. Oh, wow. See, it kind of sticks right now. But once I apply the ring around it, it'll be easy to hold on. You can use it for your DoorDash, Grubhub deliveries, or just, you know, your basic phone. But now with the new laws are passing, so be careful. This thing will help you be less distracted. So you get some wipes. Especially DoorDash and Grubhub and other drivers, so these will come in handy. Okay, we're going to apply the pressure. This little guy. That will go onto the back side. Right, there's good. Or you can put it on a case. This is kind of like my throat burner phone, so I don't really use it that much. Bada boom. Now you can see it locked in pretty good, easy to pull out. And like I said, you could just use your other phone. If you have another phone, you could use this one. So you and your partner. And these are the blockers. So, but really happy with this. Like I said, we'll hop in the car in a second and mount it. I'm just gonna do a quick Instagram video. There we go. Look at that though. It's not going anywhere. Definitely, you can pivot it. So I mean, probably for this, could be the front look. So, right there. Have it hooked. Maybe on the dash somewhere, or wherever you have it. So. Alright, we're going to hop in the car right about now. Alright, we are in the car. We got the wipe one. Just going to wipe it down. There we go. And then take the dry one. You're going to dry it off. So this would be a nice little Father's Day gift to give to your dad. Like I said, if you know any drivers. There we go. And then you take the tuba or the JoyRoom. Right about there. Bada boom. Here we go. Nice and steady Eddie. And we're going to switch it. There we go. Nice and steady. You guys can see it's kind of hard. Right in there. Got it locked. Really cool. And of course you could twist it back like that. And bada boom. You have it that way. So really cool. Check them out. JoyRoom. Links down below. Be safe. Have a good weekend.